Yo, hold up, give me a second. ¿Qué onda, banda? Buenas noches. Ah, es que buenas noches. My bad. Buenos días. Give me a second, give me a second. Let me just lower the volume a bit. Alright, guys. First thing first. But I ain't gonna lie, yesterday. So, you guys know I took one trade, by the way, yesterday. I ended up getting stopped out, and then eventually I ended up running my way. So, something about this market profile, guys, is. Oh, let me take it out real quick for this. Too much noise. If we're gonna run from right away, you know, which was what it was showing me yesterday. And then if we were gonna reverse, like I definitely wanted to see 100% see, you know, quickly, but we didn't see that, so that's why I took this trade here. Sorry, here, and I ended up getting stopped out before and then running my way. But it's cool though, you know. I was up like one and something hour, but I was just targeting target projections of the price leg, which ended up being more than enough. I was just using a 10 a.m. candle expansion candle, so that's really all there was to it. I ended up getting stopped out, which is really annoying, but whatever. It is what it is. I ended up break even basically for the day. I only took a trade and that's I was done. I was like, whatever. Anyways, coming to the day, guys. I'm thinking I'm switching bearish now. I mean bullish. I don't really think. It kind of sucks because like we didn't even take out previous weekly low, which is so annoying. We're just basically doing this now, and it's kind of trash, you know. But if you go into the daily, bro, like I really felt like this should have been this leg should have been the leg to take us lower, and it didn't, which is so annoying. At least this low, and then perhaps low high if you want to do that. But it is Wednesday. I definitely expect for sure a move today. Well, not for sure, but very likely expect the move. I do expect that we are gonna go high and take out previously weekly's high. Oh shit, which is right here. Then I do think we're gonna go lower and then go higher, and then that's what I'm gonna scalp. We're also going into a daily fair value, which I don't really want. I just want to see an immediate tap, which is such a a quick boom and boom, quickly. I don't want to spend much time here because like it's just gonna make the trade harder. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Inversion tap, perhaps even we're tapping into order block. If we're really good with the order block, though, most of the time, this order block will like the wick will send us higher. But if you want to spend a little lower, a little more time, then touch the order block of this and then go high, then it's cool. But I am leaning more bullish, guys. Now, like I said, I was looking for shorts yesterday. I don't really see myself wide switching to shorts now, as of yet. Maybe it happens like later on. We have more of a thing. But for now, what I'm looking at, guys, is this leg, this swing leg, and then look where we're bouncing off at. OT level right here, which is right here, and this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a tap and then thingy. So what happens right now? We have opening in 5 minutes, give or take. If we take this, if we inverse this, perhaps most likely gonna be looking for shorts, for long. Sorry. I'm not really putting too much emphasis into this no more because we already did the job. So I feel like the fair value gap has mainly two functions, right? To take us into the liquidity level or to reprice, right? So how we did this wick, I expect us to go lower, which is like I said, I expect lower end as of yet in the beginning, and then eventually, if once 9:50 hits around or 10 a.m. reverse, if we still chopping around, I'll wait till 10. We have news at 10, by the way, so most likely gonna wait. Let me actually just fix that real quick because I'm actually not gonna remember that. So I'd rather just wait. We do have red folder news if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I am leaning bullish now. I do think we're in a market profile. I do think the low of the week ended up being placed already, which is kind of stupid, but you know, all time highs is kind of trashy. But yeah. So again, I am leaning bullish. I'm leaning bullish. This is just now like setting a profile for me to continue longing. You know, this is just me from experience. Like my condition, my Sharingan. It's funny because I was watching literally Naruto with my brother earlier. But yeah, I'm expecting also tapping into a fair value right here. So this could provide a nice reaction to the upside, and I'm most likely leaning bullish now. Right here. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. Yeah. Yeah, we do have news today, right? If I'm not mistaken. I could be tripping, but we should have news. Let me actually write this real quick. I actually didn't do my analysis. That's funny. Embarrassing. Hold on, 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 hold on. So yeah, I am leaning bullish. Perhaps we're gonna leave it low and run for more liquidity before going lower, which is I'm cool with that too. But I'm just playing what the chart gives me, right? The chart's giving me bullish directions, and that's what I'm gonna take. I'm not gonna go with what I think. I'm gonna see what I see in the charts and what makes logical sense. So again, we could tap into the order block, which is fine too. I don't really care, but I do want to see a reaction pretty soon. I want to see a strong leg. I'm not gonna get in from like the first inversion or whatever. So like for example, right? Like you said how I said I want to go higher, right? I'm not gonna just blindly jump in from the first inversion. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna wait for the first expansion leg, wait for retracement, and then from there wait for the inversion or whatever from that second leg, and then I'm gonna get in. So I'm not gonna get in from this leg right here, guys. I'm not gonna get in right here. I'm not gonna get in from this leg right there, whatever, and try to go for that. Oh man, I'm looking crazy juicy right now, bro. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the expansion leg. Everybody get FOMO, whatever, because they might come down one more time and then go again. But I'm gonna be safe. Wait for the expansion, change your market structure, wait for the retracement, then wait for the inversion that it does from this leg, and then get in. And then target. Probably first target is probably gonna be depending on what the RR looking like. But this is definitely looking like a nice juicy target, and obviously all time. Well, I think it's pretty high. It's looking juicy as hell. But yeah, that's what my buy's looking like right now. I'm not really looking for shorts if I'm being honest anymore. I feel like shorts would have happened. It should have happened already. I do see that we are rejecting that higher OTE level. You see, but it's fine. Like if it is gonna go short, then I'll just be wrong, and then I'll just adjust later on. As long as I don't overtrade, like I'm gonna be able to eventually make that money back with risk management. But yeah, guys, I am looking for this. I am looking for this retracement level. I am looking for this wick. I am looking for long, guys. I am looking for longs. Oh, yeah. Can we have a deeper retracement? Yes, but I don't really see that. The thing that makes me switch bullish as well, guys, is like this dog. This beautiful rejection, bro. This shit made me like I would have expected this, but after we took liquidity and then look for higher, hold support. But I guess we're just so bullish. I guess I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, going into the market, guys, I am looking for hopefully a little bit leg lower, and then I want to see a reversal. We could even take this out, but preferably we don't. It doesn't. I prefer not to. Bro, where's my hat? My hair looks crazy right now, bro. Oh, frick. Oh, my deodorant. Oh, shoot. Oh, there it is, my bro. What the Let's go. What's my boy's thing again? I saw you stream earlier, dude. My guy, Mike. Miguel. Ay, Miguel! Ay, Miguel. Give me a sec, bro. Ay, Miguel. Miguel. Oh, shit. Nice rejection so far. Yes, sir. That's what I'm looking for. So, again, let's get it, boys. Nice rejection, guys. Again, also inversion from the daily, which is looking good. I guess technically we could come down here, but I don't want to, guys. Like there's like I said, like once you have a little bit more experience of the market, you just should expect or would not want to see certain things. Like can we come lower and then verse eventually? Yeah, but like ideally we don't want to see that. We want to see nice clean moves, right? Let me move the microphone a little bit. There we go. Okay. Oh shit. So yeah, I'm leaning bullish for the day, guys. Yeah, I want to see this reject and start forming a thingy structure. I'm like I said, guys. I'm not gonna catch a falling knife. I'm not gonna wait. I'm not gonna wait for the first 5 minute inversion. You could do that if you want, but I'm probably not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that, guys. The only reason I might consider it, depending on the time, like if it's like during the 9:50 mark, maybe. But even then, I'll probably just wait. What I am gonna wait for though, for sure, is more structure to play on the create on the right side. We already have straight down, so I want to see us like either like accumulate, like have a nice structure shift, and boom, 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 boom. That's it. I'm not gonna think, guys. There's no reason for me to think. Also tapping this inversion, this BPR. So now we're tapping into a higher BPR, and like I said, I don't want to see us go lower than this. Preferably. If we do, then I gotta see how structure goes on the way back up. Because if we're just like chopping slowly, then I'm probably just gonna take a lot of my partials off at 9:30, or take a partial and move to break even or something from because I just like when we're just so below, like these levels are very important for me. I want to use these levels as resistance if we're bearish. If someone is bearish, I'm not bearish in this case, but you gotta put yourself in the position where like where does the trade logically not make sense to continue? Like what? Like if we're bearish, right? You obviously want to see this level hold, right? So yeah. Again, we could take it. Preferably we don't. Again, we have news at 10, so I'm probably gonna wait for that. Oh shoot, we complete this right there. Just go them. Again, we don't want to see us dig too deep into that, right? Because that just means we're not as strongly bullish. If that makes sense. We just want to give it a little kiss and get out from that zone. Supply demand zone, But yeah, right now it's looking not too bad, not too shabby. I definitely want to take it back up to previous highs and think if we get SMT, then I guess it's a good thing. I guess another confidence, but I'm not really trying to take that level. Preferably, I want to see that range hold. And if we somehow did take it, I definitely don't want to see a strong like body within that. I want to see us just kiss it and get the hell out of there. That's really it. But yeah. Let me open up trading view. So yeah, guys, I said I took a little trade. It ended up playing out like the way I wanted, but I just didn't like more like the price way. Like I feel like we should have like, had a low resistance. We were gonna thingy. So yeah, when I got stopped, that was during this move, and I had my stop loss below this. If I'm not mistaken, I had it below. No, I took it for ES, dude. I remember. Oh shit. So yeah, you see, I ended up playing out, but ended up stopping me out before that. So I ended up having my stop below this leg because I wanted to see this leg higher, continue high, and then obviously went lower, and then went to my targets. But whatever, it's cool. Gosh, dude, this shit's so annoying. I'm gonna leave it because I might just do my executions on the weekend, like my reviews and shit. So I want to see what I was thinking at the moment. I was just taking target projections of standard deviations. Oh, bro, this shit is clean. Clean as a motherfucker. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit, guys. I'm not trying to rush into it. see a 3 minute. Bro, how did I not do the 9:30, bro? That's crazy. I'm gonna wait till 10, guys. We do have red folder news. And I do think today's an expansion day, so guess what that means? I'm probably gonna hold trades a little longer today. Or at least force myself to do it. Here we go. Oh no, wait, don't wait. What? July. Why'd you lie to me, baby? Yeah, 10 a.m. I'm just waiting news. Let me have Asia high. But to be honest with you guys, I'm probably going for more high than that. I do expect today to be a nice run. Technically, today's like the day before an NP, which technically you shouldn't be trading, but walk it. Walk it. Walk it. Yeah, mamma mia. We technically have SMT here. But again, guys, I don't really put too much emphasis as it, unless it's not correlated with my bias. Like, we did just take out on the note, which is beautiful. If it's somehow like a straight V shape up, I might get in like with low risk though, with very, 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 very low risk. Not crazy low risk, like 150, and then just the add-on to the position. If that's what I'm looking for right now. Okay, let me see the 1 hour. Someone text me. Oh. Nice. We just swept liquidity, guys. Yeah, we've been sweeping that. Okay. I might just wait. So like structure to like come up here with a roadblock, come down here, and then put my stop loss like below this. I don't trust it too yet right now. Let me help it. Let me have top step open too. And I want to see what happens during these levels, bro. I'm gonna lie. Because if we could close it below, then I'll probably just get in here, and my stop will probably be below this breaker, or even below this, and I'll start targeting it, and eventually this. But I gotta see. I could go with just 2. I could go with 2. Not too bad. MESU, yeah. But I definitely gotta be careful with here. I'll see here what it does. If we close both the door block, we could also even enter here and remove the stop loss to consequent shaman of it, which is fine too still, but I'm gonna be a little patient and see what's up, because just because I'm bullish doesn't mean, you know, it's gonna be bullish and I can still get rocked. So I'd rather just wait. What I am gonna have though is also this. I might wait till 10 though, I'm gonna lie. I'll continue. I'll have a nice continuation. I might just wait till 10, guys, not gonna lie. The thing is though, we did close really fucking, but you see how we think here? Like, I don't, to be honest, see this. Like, I don't think we should come up here. We have a nice structure. So basically, this fair value for me already fulfilled its purpose right here, which was this to go low, which I said I want to see. So now, like, I don't really expect it to be the opposite. I feel like if it's going up, is to refill it and to go higher. But I'm just thinking though, right? Like, what can I go with? I definitely don't want to see a closure below that. I want to start seeing us rally higher. We're tapping to that order block. The thing I just don't like about this one is like we also didn't sweep liquidity with this. This thing I don't like about it. Oh man. What? Nice, we're rejecting to it now. Let's see a 3 minute. What if I go with 3? Nah, it's too much risk. I'll go with 2. It's already written in a 5 minute, which is cool. I don't want to get ahead before New Zealand. I feel like we can have one more low below that. Yeah, I'm away. I don't trust too much right now. If it somehow doesn't first, then I'll probably just get with one, guys, with one, and add on to it. I'll probably just go in with one, guys. Being honest with you here, and then add on scale in. And QES is already thingy. NQ is already thingy, guys. Already above it. Uh, looks like we are about ready to inverse this, guys. We haven't inversed it either on the 3 minute yet. If we do, then we could use this auto block as well. My sub block could be here, but with one, that's crazy. No, thank you, Buckaroo. I think Asia high is definitely a goal, and then Tuesday high we could get there. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 200. It's fine with 180. Ugh, ew, 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 dookie booty. I'm going to wait. He did close above it, which is cool. Mm. Five, 3, 1, 15. We're gonna be tapping into a 50-minute order block soon, technically. But I don't expect it to do much here. Definitely here, close above here. Let's do this here. We are tapping into a 50-minute order block, but like I said, if we recover this whole shit, then I'm gonna have my stop loss really close now here. Cause we're above midnight. I don't want to see us like reject 9:30. Just need a closure, guys. Above that fair value gap. Now I'm considering longing. We did have an IVGM3 here. That's crazy. You completely just inverted this. Alright, I'm gonna wait. You know, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Cause I don't know. Cause like I like it obviously, but. Uh, see this? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to see what happens here in the lower time frames. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. We'll see if we tap into that and then go run through it one more time. Cause if we could reject from here one more time. I don't know. I don't like running straight moves up like that right now. Not right now. Uh, we could come back down. And then I want to see us move from that. I guess I said I was gonna do it earlier. I don't know. Not right now. Not right now. Not right now. No. I'm not gonna buy that right away. I want to see what happens here. I'm gonna wait because I feel like news could bring us lower now. We're way too close to news, in my opinion. What I want to see here though, it's this. I want us to go lower here, and then go higher, and then I'll probably move to break even something quickly here, or I don't know. Depends how strong we go into those candles. I'm not in this, guys. I'm not in this. You guys can if y'all want to. I'm not in this. I don't know. It's just feel a little iffy, especially because news is right around the corner. It doesn't feel right now like it feels a little iffy. If y'all want to buy into it, go ahead. I'm not doing it. You can get it from the version. I'm just gonna wait a little bit more for confirmation. I want us to go low right now, and then create the inversion from here, and then I'll probably get in here, and then stop loss is probably like below here. There we go. We just have into it, by the way. You see how you're rejecting this? If we close above it, I might just get in with the closure of that body. I don't think we should be going any high, lower than that, but 9:57. We have thingy coming in, guys. I'm ready. I'm fine. 50. Okay, I'm at 3. I'm waiting to, guys. I want to see closure about these these guys are related right now. I want to see nice closure about this. If this is like the only fair rally they're going to leave, and this is going to be a breakaway gap. And the 3 minutes look a little cleaner, guys. I ain't gonna lie. We did tap into that though. That's weird. Uh, I'm not gonna lie. I do see this thing going on. I'm probably having myself lost. I'm gonna lie. This inversion. This rally. I'm gonna go with 2 guys here. Hold on. I'm gonna wait and see what the new hourly candle does. Hold on. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see what the 10 a.m. candle does. Once I get a closure above here, bro, I'm getting in. My top is probably going in here. Like, I don't think we should be coming down here no more. Yeah, I'm about to get in. I'm gonna see this closure below this though. I wanna see this manipulate a little more though. So this is gonna be my trade, guys. I wanna see us stay above these level, guys. Above midnight now. Not gonna lie. Is that all the manipulation is gonna be? We have 50 minutes ASE as well. I think I'm just worrying about, right? How Can we have a little deeper retracement? I want to see the sensitivity around these levels, guys. Around these levels right here. I want to stay above thingy. If I could get a closure, guys, above the 10 a.m. I'm getting it with market order. It's fine. The stop loss is gonna be pretty short. Where's 10 a.m. here? That's what I'm looking at right now. I want to see if I'm bullish. Mm-hmm. I want to see this candle turn green. I'm going in, guys. Chill, bro. Don't leave it on me. No. Buy limit to buy. Damn. Fuck. I should have bought that shit. Whatever. If it goes around me, fuck it. Let me see if I can get it from an order block or something. 2 minute. Chill. Don't leave without me, bad boy. Oh, you a bitch. Oh, you a bitch. Oh, you a bitch. Fuck it. If it goes around me, it goes around me. I'm not gonna fucking force it. I was gonna buy, but it just didn't like the closure. It's fine. Bruh. No. Ugh, fuck. There's whatever. What about this? Hold up. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see, guys. Damn, we about to take it, guys. No. No. Why? Fuck. I was gonna get in with this shit. If this one kind of would have had a better closure, like literally above here, I would have taken that shit. But again, we wanted to see rejection these levels. That's why I didn't wanna. I wanna have a tight stop loss, low key. But I mean, if it takes it, it takes it. Whatever. Bruh. The thing is, I ironically don't want to see the candle come back here, but I mean, oh, dude. Like again, you could have tagged in here, but I wanted to see more reaction from this level. Bro, I'm telling you, like if it would have just closed a little bit more greenish, bro. Here above, literally above here, I would have taken it, but there we go. Now the question is, right? I don't want to see us. I'm gonna cancel it. If you took that long, GG, but I just couldn't get it from self entry. I couldn't find it. I want to see if Lumi took it. Nah, Lumi didn't take it either. I just didn't like the inversion right away. I wanted to wait a little bit for more confirmation, which is cool. You know, maybe we still catch this for pre that, because I think this is still intact. Now what I'm just trying to observe, right, is if we're gonna have expansion, we don't really want to see much retracement. Expansion kinda nice. I was sure I wanted to see a retap here to this. Oh, he didn't catch it either. Oh, he did. He did. Homie got it from here. Oh no, he got it on the Nasdaq. It's not looking too bullish for thingy though, not gonna lie. From here? Oh yeah, he's getting from here. Oh. Oh, you got up that break even. She. It's crazy. I just didn't like this level because we were still rejecting this point at one point. I want to see us close it. And when I was gonna get it, I was gonna put myself up here. Crazy. Now the question is, are we gonna continue higher? I'll probably lower my risk though. I don't know. Because it looks like we are gonna continue. So I don't think we expect much of a retracement. However, we did now have a change of state now. Order block, continue show order flow. So who knows? If we tap back into a fair value gap, we might just look for longs. But with lower risk, of course. This is looking very messy now. Right here is a 5-minute fair value gap. My easy target went down the drain, so time to lower size. We did close nicely above it. The question is, do we... I don't know. I couldn't afford the red entry. I just couldn't. I just couldn't. We do have new expansion legs, so I mean, if it wants to retrace into equilibrium or something into an order block and go high, then I'll probably take that instead. But for now, I just don't really, I'm not really trusting this right now to get any higher. I wonder if Tanya took a trade. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Wrapped up yesterday. Filled the gap.
I rejected it right away.
Trading hours. Gap up on Monday. Where is this?
For me, I just don't like that we're gonna take preview weekly low. That's the thing.
Okay, here. Gapped up on Monday, then we filled the gap, tapped weekly open, and we just spooled upwards. And then yesterday, same thing, 9:30 straight up, and we held and we closed the month strong. And we closed above that daily fair value gap. You know, so the bears are not in control here. We closed above this 4 hour, so many things. So instead, then I'm looking so that we're going to hold bullish price action. And I marked out this hourly fair value gap here. I anticipated that, like a lot of mornings here, we get these huge wicks. Doesn't mean that it's failing this and that it's going to go lower. So that's basically why it's starting off from the daily and not wanting to take
South side.
that short setup. And also then here I had this like first presented fair value gap.
I don't really use that shit.
Right on the way down, let me like cancel some things here now. Make this cleaner. On the way down was a pretty
strong.
A lot of back and forth wicks. So we already offered buy side and sell side orders going through here on the way down. We had a 1 minute first presented fair value gap. And I was like, okay, if we're gonna spool down to previous day low, it would happen before 10 probably. And we had a nice wick within here, and I was kind of looking for shorts that we would have to break below this, and then I would go in on a second distribution to go down here. That didn't happen. We closed above this, and then we had a long setup here. I said I didn't want to take it. I didn't completely trust it yet. I'd rather take a second distribution. So that's the first leg up, first accumulation.
That's what I was waiting too. Wow.
This is now second leg because it broke this high. I said I'd enter if we broke this high. And 9:30 open. And we did. We had a 1 minute FEG. I put my limit here, stop last swing low, and then I targeted buy side. And yeah, so far very good because we have not gone up higher from there actually. We've just consolidated so far. So whoever told me I left money on the table, Chris Fisher, you have to keep in mind that I'm not holding for hours at a time. I'm holding, my best trades are like 10 minutes long, and this took 10 to 20 minutes. Let's see how long this took. 18 minutes, perfect. Oh, from here to here, actually, this is where I got out. 14 minutes. Low stress trade, never any drawdown. Another pullback here, and then up to buy side liquidity. You're welcome, Victor. Okay. Hit that like button. We only have 400 likes. 1,200 people watching. That was the trade here. From here to here. 2R. Nothing to sneeze at. Make $900 in 14 minutes. Pretty good day. Per account.
Damn, she's blind.
Should I start making a series maybe like, okay, trading to buy World Cup finals tickets. Wouldn't that be funny?
But she didn't watch soccer, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, good, bro.
Candy, I just went through the whole trade like 3 minutes ago, so I just explained the logic.
I like the rejection was there.
I remember saying I was like tempted to add there. Yeah, I didn't. But, you know, I'm coming back.
Straight move
from
up.
little break. So we're back now though. Gotta ease into it.
I ain't like this. We can't
What's
no
up,
pullback.
Professor San?
I don't trust the 2 minute really. The thing that you had in the one minute, like she did, like, well, no, she actually made it. That's crazy. Yes, was way stronger than thingy.
Speaking of which, tomorrow I'm going to be at the Croatia versus Portugal game. Woo!
I really
Gonna
hope
be
Croatia
in
gets whooped.
Toronto.
Hey guys, this is all balanced, but I just wanted team version first fail before this leg.
What was the risk on the trade? $500. Made 900. Thank you, Casey. Now
I don't like this was
appreciate
going
the
up though.
dono. Thank you. I will enjoy the game. World Cup. Fever. Woohoo! I always watch the World Cup. I watched the World Cup so much that I fell asleep during the Netherlands. Morocco game. Yeah, 2 days ago because it was going into extra time. Fell asleep on the couch. Woke up while they were saying it was penalties. And then I was watching penalties, and after every penalty, I swear I fell asleep again between every kick. And I watched it on Telemundo. So I got woken up by when the next kick happened. The next penalty shot. Because the pundits are way more excited. I swear, I think that they probably have an addition at additions like how long can you yell goal for?
That's funny.
What's my prediction for tomorrow's game? I think it'll be 0-0 going into extra time. And then during extra time, Croatia will score 1-0 and Croatia will win. But that's my prediction. And I'm not making any bets. I do not promote or condone sports betting.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah, please be mindful. Like, they just want to steal your money. It's crazy. It's crazy how all these leagues actually are promoting it so heavily. Soldier Trader says,
as a sports creator, I am always on the go, but Google Gemini keeps me always in the know. Even if I wasn't able to catch the full game, Gemini is always there with the assist. They have
the World Cup. The only country undefeated in penalties at the World Cup. I'm used to that. They like to make us really stressed out. The game is on the 3rd of July, not tomorrow. I think I know what day my game is. It says July 2nd, bro.
Again, the only thing I didn't take the trade, bro, because I didn't want to. I didn't want to get in from the version.
2nd, 7 p.m. My Apple Wallet.
I wanted to get in. Go up, trade for value gap.
I'm gonna be flying back to be in the U.S. the next
I
day.
didn't know Masala's gonna be here.
Back home for the 4th of July, USA. 250th anniversary. When I say $500 risk, it's per account. Larger chat trick, that would be sick. But he's more of like a CDM than a CA. That would be cool. He's scored goals before in the World Cup. You didn't need to flex on you? Ah, man. That's my flex right now. Yeah, I'm going to...
Congress's salary.
I
And then from there, I climb into one of my 3 Bugattis.
actually don't
And
like
I
this
just
for
go
the
where the
show.
wind takes me. And then usually it's a blur, and then before I know it, it's time for bed and do it all over again.
I love Tyler. Probably my favorite. Yeah, probably easily my favorite trader. Again, we could have done different. Like there was no pullback, bro. But no pullback. I want to see a pullback, a little deeper, like a little deeper wick, and then I would have gone for this.
What's up, SMC? Haven't seen your streams in a few months. Good job, bro. You look way leaner. Thanks, man. Thanks. I never realized
How fat you were.
how much of a fat fuck I was. You guys have really been taking notice.
Oh my god.
That too, bouncing scout. That one stuck with you, huh? Oh, the daily phone call with BP. Yeah, this is such a. Sometimes I don't even answer, right? Like sometimes I'm just. He gets it though. I'm busy. Same routine as Nancy. Go without the drinks. ES is shooting up. Well, we're kind of stalling here a little bit after Asia High was taken on ES. Do 10 push-up when you lose a trade. It's not a bad idea. Listen, if you guys wanna, if you guys wanna look leaner like me, and you guys wanna look like Kevin in the chat. Every time you guys lose a trade, 10 push-ups, and every time you break your rules, do 20. Every time you blow an account, 30. Listen, we'll have you boys jacked and unprofitable before we know it, you know what I'm saying? You were a little chubby but perfect to our eyes. Thanks, man. They say beauty is in the eye of the beholder after all. You have to answer or he might kirk you. Oh no. Who do you guys think killed Charlie Kirk, by the way? Was it Tyler Robinson or no? Happy 2 year, thanks, level-headed.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yes, that's like fucking nice for thing, and I still want thing, bro.
You think chop day before NFP? I don't know what you mean by chop per se. I do think we get a move today. But yeah, it is the day before NFP, so. Alright, well, ended up being a good break-even decision. It didn't take me out and go to TP. It did go print a new hourly low now, so let's see if we get a little deeper dig. We got like a little 10-minute gap. This is like the cleanest fair value gap in this leg. There's nothing on the 15-minute. This down close candle maybe acts as an OB from 9:30 open. 5-minute. I mean, there's like a little 5-minute down here, I guess. Yeah, this 10-minute I thought was the cleanest. The most beautiful thumb head. That's what I'm talking about. Any reason you didn't take the inversion? Which inversion?
The 5-minute, homie.
The one down here? If you're asking about this one, I don't know. I just kind of like wasn't super convinced, and then like by this time it was already 9:50. We had news at 10. So that was why. But yeah, ultimately I want to see longs off this 4 hour.
Yeah, same here.
But who knows? You guys got to remember we're in this weekly range, so who's to say that
We didn't do that.
this weekly candle doesn't wick all the way back down, and then we close like a bearish candle? Wouldn't that be nuts? Would you guys be surprised or no? have a theory. He's a Freemason, faked his own death, psyop. But you're also a flat earther. Oh. Yeah, I don't think he's still alive, personally. Anything's possible, I guess, but I do think he is passed on.
Here's something. He's gonna say some stupid shit.
By the way, like the stream for a giveaway. Amen, PEJW. PEJW is trying to get himself to mod status. He's trying to earn his way to mod status. Listen, PEJW. You keep chatting like that, you might just get it. I have the but yeah, like the stream, guys, because we will do, you know, like up the stream. We'll do even a couple giveaways today, just in honor of 2 years of streaming, brand new month, etc., etc. So like up the stream, guys. Don't be stingy with the likes. If you're stingy with your likes, the market will be stingy with your take profits. That's how that kind of works. You know what I'm saying? You can't receive if you don't give. Type. What's up, Sandsun Beach? Yep, we took one long, and I took one long. I got break even on it. Just waiting now. Dr. Dildo says he likes the stream for free. No giveaway needed. My God, see, that's a real one right there. Dr. Dildo. Listen, Dr. Dildo, the first time I saw your name in this chat, I wouldn't have thought you were that kind of guy, but after further review, I gotta tell you, Dr. Dildo, that's a good guy right there. Nika goes, how did I get mod status? I'm always mean. Well, that's the thing, Nika, is we kind of need to have like
A balance.
a yin and yang, you know what I'm saying? It can't just be
Shut your ass up. It's because she's a woman.
the top down. It's gotta be, dare I say, diverse.
Woman.
I didn't, that sounds bad. That makes it sound like I only gave you the mod status because you're black. That's not why I gave you the mod status. You're an OG in the chat. But hey, it's good. It's good that you got, you know what I'm saying? We need a little attitude too. Oh, I saw. As soon as I said it, I was like, "Fucking A." That sounds so bad. Oh. Get canceled yet? Tyler, bro, thank you many for that 15-second chart. Got you, Bugs Bunny. Got you, Bugs Bunny. You could have said because you are a girl, Tyler. LMAO.
Nah.
I hate to assume people's gender these days.
Ugh. Crazy.
Oh, brother. Made almost 24K today. Dude, give me some money. Let me hold like a 5 or something. Are you a boy, Tyler? You can say that. Alright, we hit the 50% of the move up here. So we just tagged 50%. Getting a nice little bounce here.
I'm gonna try this one guy for two.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. 1037. Yeah, honestly, boys, I might wait for this 5-minute close, and then if we get like a nice bullish candle, I might just enter off that and put my stop at this low, to be honest.
I'm going with two guy.
I'm feeling risky. You don't like to assume? Yeah, we've all been there. We've all been there. Listen, guys, I actually had that actually kind of happened to me recently. I shit you not. There was actually a. Where was I at? I was at the gym. And there was a. Like, as I'm going into the guys' locker room, there was a. Well, I'm also in the guys' locker room, so I'm thinking that everyone in there is a guy. So I come around the corner, and there was like what I thought was a man, bent over like cleaning, like something on the floor. And I was like, "Oh, excuse me." I was like, "Excuse me, sir." And it was a girl. She fucking gets up and looks at me. I'm like, "Oh fuck." It was like a I don't even know. It was like probably like a 50, like late 50s woman. And I was like, oh fuck. Short hair, you know. What have I done? Probably just ruined her whole day.
I'm going with 3, guys.
I didn't even have like the courage to be like, I'm sorry. I just like, I need to get out of here. I felt so bad.
Come on, you're shy, man.
And then we fell in love. Moral of the story, boys. Ditch the pickup lines. Start insulting. They love it. They love it. I don't know why they love it, but they do. Girls are weird, man. Girls are so weird. They like getting... They like the verbal abuse.
I'm going in.
Don't you, ladies? Yeah, guys. I'm going long. I'm doing it. I'm long. Go and stop at the low here on the 5-minute.
Where
Give me
that?
liberty or give me death.
I do think we could tap that, guys. I'm gonna lie. So 1 limit. What is this? Fit 75.59 equal.
Young trap lord. It sounds like you're right on time. I have parent timing. Is that good?
I like that 5. Aw, you bitch. Oh, yeah. Aw, you bitch.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
Go,
No way
go,
that's good.
go, 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 go,
I
go,
don't think that's
go,
good.
go, go, go.
What would your friend do with his kids? What?
Go, 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 go. No, 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 no. Oh my god, Russian looks fucking crazy, bear.
This does not look hot, does it?
It's fine, whatever. It's like first trade. It's fine. It really is.
No, it doesn't. What now is it? 43 almost? Oh boy, not looking good here.
Go, 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 go.
Moment of truth with this gap right here. It's either gonna crush me or we're gonna reverse it, but doesn't look good. No lower wick here. Oh god.
What are you taking on? Go, 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 go. to infinity and beyond. Where did this shit at though? 25,559. Exactly there. Go, 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 go.
Abdullah Baba, I'm not sure.
And Salim.
But that'd be nice. We'll go a little bit short and then long, that's what I think. You're saying I might be early here, Bugs Bunny? You might be right. There we go.
I might take off too, Loki. Oh, that's not good.
15's about to close. Yeah, we're about to get stopped here.
Buy, what did you buy? Sell one. I'm gonna sell one.
Filled.
Yeah.
Stopped up.
Oh shit, hold up.
Had it in her mouth and the kids walked in.
I don't can hide anymore.
Did you get your LED sign from that Asian dude on TikTok? No. I think I just ordered it on Amazon.
Order filled.
There you go.
All right, we'll see here. We got new 15-minute. Man,
Why are you not calling?
previous 15-minute closed heavier than anticipated. We're digging really, really deep into this wick. If this wick is gonna actually hold, but perhaps this weekly range is going to do the unthinkable and actually fucking start to flip this candle back. In which case, I'll see you boys in August. No, I'm just kidding. 935 is your target. Oh, Asia from yesterday. Yeah, we just gotta get through all of this to get there, you know? Just gotta get through all of this to get there, which maybe it's gonna do here in the next 30 minutes. Do I trade August? I do. I do indeed. Morass, you just got here? Did you take anything? You literally just missed it. I took a long earlier, break even on it, and then I tried one more long here on this structure after we hit 50%. Right here. I entered off the 5-minute close. Just dug lower here. So yeah, I'm one break even, one loss right now. Both longs. Wow. Thanks, Blake, for the unk alert. Where do you guys get these from? Where do you guys even get these?
I don't know, bro.
That's cool. Sticky stickers? Is that what those are?
Still above 10 a.m. open.
Are those super stickers? What even are these? What even are these? Oh, that's not it. Right? I don't know. Is it? Unk alert. Is that what that is? Is that a super sticker? I'm trying to like find where you guys even find these at. Spoiler alert. That's not it. actually don't know where you guys find these things. What the? Thank you for the jewels. Like you're a real one, man. Uncler and 2 jewels. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Alrighty. Well, let's see here. We got macro incoming. I'm still bullish. I feel like I just have to stay bullish until like this fails, which is what I told you guys I was going to do already today, right? Like, be kind of foolish for me to like try to front run the short here for me, but you know, if this fails, I do think my eyes do shift to these lows and potentially that previous weekly low for tomorrow. Maybe even, you know, we start trading a good chunk of the way down there today. But yeah, I'm gonna be bullish until that happens, I guess. The unk is like $5 to send. Big spender, dude. Thank you for the unk status. The unk alert. You know, I would be offended, but as soon as we end up reinstituting the draft and all the youngins are getting drafted, you know, we'll see who's really laughing with all this unk stuff, you know? We'll see who's laughing. We'll be over here trading, getting stopped out, and you guys will be hitting stop loss like in real life. Holy shit. Could you imagine? Oh no.
I'm gonna go one more, guys. This will be probably my last trade for the day.
Sent happy poop for 10 jewels. Wow. Happy poops are always good. Long right now. Yeah, we'll see. I'm open to going long again. I just want to see what we do here with this structure, I guess. I think if we do actually inverse here, I may go ahead long one more time.
Should I go with 2? Yeah, I'm going to. I'm going with this one.
Alright, man. I'm going for it again. I think if this fails, I'm actually wrong here, and I think we do end up breaking down. Uno mas in the macro. Let us see. Wow, ES is fucking fun. Holy pop.
Order filled.
So yeah, we
Hi,
did,
guys.
well, hang on here. Let's see. Hourly 15. I mean, this is where we bounced. We came down to the 15-minute rejection block. But yeah, honestly, if this fails at this rate, I do think that this hourly ends up flipping. And then, yeah, we're probably going here and ultimately toward that previous weekly low. OTE2. Yeah, well, pretty deep OTE here. But yeah. $786.
This is my last chance, guys. I'm gonna thingy.
Yeah, in the macro.
Sell or is it sell one? Oh, yeah, sell one.
Here's ES. ES catching a bounce off the 15-minute right here.
55, 59, 75.
For that high.
Stop sell one. This is my last attempt, guys. They're in the macro.
Thank you, Michael. Good to see you, man. Good to see you, Michael. Is that rejection block you've heard? It is. Yeah, I don't necessarily like enter off rejection blocks, but obviously you can use them as a PD array for rejection. Like I wait for bounces off of them in confirmation, and I trade that. But like I said yesterday, I feel like I don't know, man. I feel like the last couple of weeks waiting for confirmation has actually been part of the reasoning for a little bit of. I don't know. Waiting for confirmation has not been kind, really. A lot of inducement. So we shall see. I mean, ES looks good here on the 15. 5 minutes left to the 15 close. 5 minutes left to the hourly close. Yeah, KVN. I don't know, man. If that's the case, I'm just going to chalk it up to this weekly range being the fucking devil of this market. I mean, I came into this week. Guys, I'm bearish to previous weekly low. Right? So if we trade all the way up here just to go back to that previous weekly low at this point, I'm just going to actually kill myself. I'm just like, this is over for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, how the fuck? How the fuck? Is a guy like me supposed to live? NQ hates Tyler. NQ does fucking hate me this week. I'm literally, especially because I didn't close my trade yesterday. Yeah, if this fails, I'll be red every day this week. Not a good week.
Come on.
It's all jokes, Dr. Dildo. It's how I cope. I cope with the market fucking me by just joking about blowing my shit smooth off. It makes me feel better. I don't know if it probably doesn't make anybody else feel better, but it makes me feel better. Jonesy, I know. I'm well aware of the hourly gap, man. I'm putting my fucking faith in this 4-hour gap.
Dog, what the fuck? If we stop below here, I'm just gonna cut the trade out, guys. I don't think it's gonna. Let me just get the trade, bro, if it does thingy. Go. Bro, what the fuck, routine? Go. Go. I'm gonna just stop, bro. Come down here. Clean. I'm gonna go move and break it. I'm gonna move my stop loss now. I'm good now. Not all hope is lost. Oh my god, you fucking trade. You are off. Oh my god, my leg. I'm gonna stop it, guys. I want to break even, guys. I'm gonna just do the conscious thing here. Fine, I'll sell one. I'm gonna sell one. This one I'm gonna let it run just because I need a little bit more. Oh, my leg hurt. Okay, water real quick.